So good. Green vegetable. So good. It's very young and it is so green. So we will take it to cook with our noodle. Hello ladies and gentlemen, here is my food for today. I have noodle, egg, mushroom and also cabbage vegetable. So I'm going to make all of this food for cook for my dinner. So if you guys like my video and you think my video are necessary to you, so please help me to subscribe my channel YouTube to see more video about me. So now let's go to cook with me. So now we start to clean our cabbage vegetable. It's so young, it's so green too. You know, these cabbage can help our healthy to be more good, and also it can help our body to be more beautiful too. So now first we add our green vegetable that we call cabbage vegetable. Then our noodle like this. Then we add our mushroom. This we can call healthy food. Salt of noodle. This we call salt of noodle, and also our ingredient that already made. Dry green onion. Then egg. Add water on it like this. Water that already cooked, so we add it on our noodle and vegetable like this. Wow, it looks like so yummy. We add some chili sauce on it to be more delicious. Wow. So good. It tastes just it waters, but it's so good. It's so yummy. Wow. We eat green vegetable to be more beautiful. Mm. Mm. It's so yummy. Wow. It's really yummy. Everyone, please have to subscribe my channel if you think my channel are necessary to you, everyone. So now, let me say goodbye, everyone. Goodbye. Thank you for watching my video.